start the year of the dragon in style. This elegant Air Jordan 1 Low has oil green overlays that's inspired by the Chinese zodiac only mythological creature. Details like the metallic golden burgundy tongue tag with satin lining bring a hint of shine to the celebration. Don't forget to open up your Jordan brand red envelope. It's included with every pair just for that extra luck. Hey y'all, it's Chris, and today I have the Jordan 1 Low Year of the Dragon. This sneaker released January 24th on Nike sneakers for a retail price of $160. This is not the first time Nike and Jordan brand chose to celebrate the Lunar New Year with theme releases. Lunar New Year sneakers designed by Nike and Jordan brand showcase intricate designs and attention to detail inspired by Chinese culture. We saw the Year of the Rabbit last year and the Year of the Tiger the year before. Nike and Jordan brand are releasing other silhouettes that cater to their large Asian market during this Lunar New Year period. The Air Jordan 1 Year of the Dragon features oil green textured leather with scale-like embossing, complemented by matte finishes and burgundy accents, staying true to the dragon theme. As you can see, the scales on the sneaker are all in different patterns. The scales on the toe are definitely different from the scales on the heel. The scale overlays span from the mud guard to the heel counter. Like I said before, this sneaker features different textures and finishes, including textured leather, like I mentioned already, varying scale patterns, matte finishes, and metallic accents to summarize. The color scheme of the Jordan 1 Low Year of the Dragon includes oil green or sage green, burgundy, and gold. They come together to represent all the colors of the Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year, which is luck, prosperity, and wealth. The design of the sneakers pay homage to the Year of the Dragon, as you know. The sneaker features intricate details, a phoenix and dragon design on the red pocket, and graphics on the paper. For this release, unfortunately, we only have burgundy laces. I wish Nike and Jordan brand also included a pair of white or sail laces, because when it comes to Air Jordan 1, I like to match my laces to the color of the tongue. But for this pair, I'll keep the burgundy laces in there and won't do a lace swap since they stand for something significant in the Chinese culture. Turning the sneaker over to the back, we have a satin gold panel, embroidered Air Jordan 1 Wings logo, and once again, these colors represent luck, prosperity, and wealth like I said earlier. One of the coolest and best parts of the sneaker is a Jumpman Jordan logo with a dragon wrapped around it that's located behind the tongue. I like how Nike and Jordan brand included a logo that combines the Jumpman brand and Lunar New Year. Small details like this really bring the collection together. When it comes to the interior of the sneaker, we have silver satin. The insole is burgundy as well, with the Jumpman Year of the Dragon logo that we saw on the red envelope. Flipping the sneaker over to the bottom, we have an icy outsole which complements the colorway greatly. This outsole will definitely yellow, but when it does, it'll still fit the sneaker nicely. Overall, the color combo of the Jordan 1 Low Year of the Dragon was very well done. The sneaker isn't too loud and all the panels work together very nicely. Overall, the sneaker is very wearable. In terms of quality and craftsmanship, there's nothing crazy here. The sail leather is definitely mid, nothing different from an ordinary Jordan 1 or a Jordan 1 Low, but the green panels are definitely of a higher standard. They feel really nice in hand, definitely textured. This sneaker has no visible flaws and no loose stitching. It definitely gets a 10 out of 10 for me, and I think this is the first time I'm giving an Air Jordan 1 or an Air Jordan 1 Low a 10 out of 10 for quality and craftsmanship. Now, let's talk about the cultural significance of this sneaker. The Year of the Dragon footwear transcends mere aesthetics, serving as a homage to cultural unification. In Chinese tradition, the dragon symbolizes not just strength, but also wisdom and prosperity. Jordan brand's nod to the Chinese New Year not only pays tribute to these cultural elements, but also fosters unity by blending them seamlessly into a sought-after sneaker design. This exemplifies fashion's ability to communicate across cultural boundaries, showcasing its universal appeal. When it comes to sizing, stay true to your Jordan 1 High or Jordan 1 Low size. This sneaker model is no different from any other Jordan 1 release. So once again, go true to size. Packaging. The Air Jordan 1 Low OG Year of the Dragon features a sage green box with a gloss embossed finish reminiscent of dragon scales. The packaging also includes a red pocket symbolizing good wishes and luck for the Lunar New Year. The sneaker release for the Year of the Dragon includes a charm and red pocket, aligning with the Chinese zodiac theme. The charm features a design that also matches the red pocket and logo seen on the insole of the Jordan 1 Low Year of the Dragon. Personally, I plan to wear the Jordan 1 Low Year of the Dragon on the first day of the Lunar New Year, which is February 10th if you didn't know already. I plan to follow the tradition of wearing something new to symbolize a fresh start. I also encourage y'all to do the same. On February 10th, wear something new, just one thing new. new to celebrate the Lunar New Year. Also, share your thoughts on this sneaker down below in the comments. Do you like them? Do you not? Did you cop? Did you drop? Let me know real quick. To summarize, the Air Jordan 1 Low Year of the Dragon released January 24th for a retail price of $160 to celebrate the Year of the Dragon. The sneaker features an off-white leather upper with scaly green overlays at the forefoot and heel. We also have dark crimson or burgundy accents that land on the laces, Nike Air tongue tag, signature swoosh, and wings logo. Inside the tongue displays a Jumpman intertwined with a dragon, while we have a Lunar New Year Jumpman logo on the insole. This low top sneaker is on top of a sail off-white midsole which accompanies an icy blue outsole. And that's all I got for y'all. Stay tuned for the on-feet portion of this video. But before you get out of here, my name is CClaxton and this is my platform Something Like Media, a hub for all things sneakers, fashion, and photography. If you want to see more sneaker reviews and more on-feets, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and share with a friend. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.